We could kiss.
It's Toyota's National Sales Event, the perfect time to get the Toyota you've always wanted. And while 80% of Toyotas sold in the last 20 years are still on the road today, these amazing offers won't last long. Now save over $3,500 in interest charges with 0 APR for 60 months on a new 2010 Corolla. Plus, take $500 cash, or at least for
It's recording it.
Toyota's National Sales Event, going on now. Hurry to your Toyota dealer today.
You've been struggling with the quilt. I'm here to take you through my one-step program to break the quilted habit. But I've always used quilted towel. Quilted is towel speak for air. But Viva puts 35% more towel between you and the mess. Wow, 35% more? Are you ready to take that one step to see what an unquilted Viva towel can do? Yes, I'm ready. Beautiful. Try Viva and quilt.
Copper Tone Sport Outshine. It protects you from the most damaging rays across 100% of the UVA/UVB spectrum, and the protection stays on better because it's ultra sweat-proof. Copper Tone Sport.
Look at Monkey tease trying to grab her face.
Honey.
Come
on. Lay down. Get up there and lay down. Come on. Lay down.
Everyone's searching for ways to save time and money. Fox 44 is here to save the day. Log on to kwkt.com and click on coupons now to start saving instantly.
You know, you can record 20 minutes at a time.
Oh, really?
It's telling me it's got a little over 18 minutes left.
Golly.
I'm not going to record all of it, but...
Going on now at Jim Center Toyota. So what a great time to celebrate. With 13 models with 0% interest.
Have you ever recorded on that?
With the 2011 Camry for $250.
Not on purpose.
Not to mention a 24-month maintenance agreement with the Toyota you take home. The #1 selling car in America with the best interest rates make it the perfect time to own a new Toyota.
Showing Mom and Dad she wants her kitty.
The Happy Car Store. Jeff Hunter Toyota Scion on Waco's Motor Mile.
Closed captioning and other consideration for 2.5 men provided by...
It's rollback time here at Walmart, and we've got some huge
Yeah.
rollbacks. Come on, let me show you. This is just $1. $3 less. Can you believe that? That's $1 savings right there. How's your breath? Rollback. I'm only going to roll back.
Honey. Come on. Get up here.
Sweet.
Lay down.
I got a car full of big rollbacks in here. Look, the rollback has saved you over $25. My name is Darrell, and I save people money.
I got it. Oh, look how cute that is.
Honey, get up here. Come on. Lay down. Come on. Lay down. Lay down.
Bella's got her pinned.
Well, it turns out her biological clock is ticking. Most of the guys she meets are ballet dancers, so, you know, slim pickings there. And she doesn't want to wait for Mr. Knight to come along. Pretty much leaves you. Easy on the eyes. And she wants to raise the kid alone, which fits nicely into my lifestyle. Drinking, gambling, and casual sex is not a lifestyle. I didn't come here to argue, but... What are you going to do? You're going to go to a sperm bank? Well, I tried to talk her into a direct deposit.
Oh my God, they're having so much fun.
Honey, lay down. Lay down.
Lay down. Down in your heels. Not in a good way.
Lay down.
Well, why not? I've sent billions of soldiers out there. It's time for one of them to finally take the hill. Now what? I think she caught the rabbit. Anyway, I'm thinking this could be my one chance to guarantee Charlie Jean lives on. You know, make sure that the double helix that is uniquely me keeps on trucking into the future. Let's assume that's a good thing. One more question.
Oh my God, look at her spazzing.
To my brother and
I thought you should know you're gonna be an uncle. You mean I'm gonna be
No,
an uncle to a
honey,
child
honey.
I'll never see. Tell you what, when he turns 12, I'll track him down and bring him to
Honey.
you.